See, we got the umbrella on. It's working. Giving me shade. It's perfect when there's no breeze like today. We are working in the shade right here. Show you what we're working with right here. There's a good one right here. Yes. Alright. Got you, baby. There, baby Joe. There you go, baby. First one. Let you go. You know there was another one there. Got him, baby. Splash all over my face. Damn. We got you, mama. Your garden over there. Another one, baby. Look at that. Alright, there you go. Biggest one of the day, right there. 18 and a quarter, baby. Alright, let him go. Whew. We got him. Texas rig. Sexy shad. Do that again. I don't know about you, but this shade is awesome. I mean, you can maneuver it in any spot. Get us the coverage we need. And it's making the fishing experience a lot better, because you know we're sitting underneath the sun and we got our umbrella to shade us up. So, we just gotta find out where they move to.